salt sack. I said salt. Adam has decided to take us into Timbuktu with river crossings and steep road tracks covered in water so we can test out our camper trailer. Let's just see if we actually make it to this person's property.
The middle of it, Eli. Just following this road to some youth camp, and didn't they tell us that, well, it didn't tell us that we had to do bloody river crossings and gravel pit roads and stuff like that. So this little quick zip away has turned into quite a cool little adventure. So I gotta get through this. It looks pretty damn deep, but it's the only way, so I've got to get through it. If I get into trouble, I've got these trees over here to winch, so let's hope I don't have to. Probably best standing here, because when I come through here it's going to make a bit of a bow wave and you're going to get water come up. Hopefully not on you.
Down.
Oh, great. What was going on? Oh, the trailer was going everywhere. Okay, no worries. That's cool. Okay, just got to get over these rocks. Can you keep an eye on the wheel for me? Sure, babe, no problems. All right, let me try now. Oh, no, I knew that was going to happen. That's all good. All right, I'll just get out of the car and assess the situation. Yep. Oh, that's the wheel stuck in the wheel. Oh, how am I going to do this? Oh, I'll just check the other wheel. No, it's fine. Look, I might just winch out anyway. Probably the best thing.
Eli, the car is stuck, okay? So oh, the rope on the thing, the orange rope, no, that much.
That was crazy. Let's not do that again. Now we just gotta get across here.
Surely these people do not drive this way.
There must be like other ways in here.
Yay! No, you said we weren't going this way.
No, we're not going up that. Let's just hope that there's no washaways on this.
Shit.
I waterfall.
Not if I take my handbrake off, eh?
A waterfall.
Certainly is one.
Moving. Huh? Nah, don't shallow. It's not even over the wheels. Having fun, Eli?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, you big cry. Alright, we just got to go up around that way. Hopefully it's not too tight a turn.
Whoa!
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Shit.
Whoops.
Yeah, this is a good one to take the camper on for the first time.
Well, it is what it is. It said check depth before crossing.
Yeah, they're cute.
They could have told me that in the notes, you know.
Yeah.
Do not come via whatever road this is. Alright.
What happens if you didn't have a four-wheel drive?
Oh, they asked me to have a four-wheel drive.
Oh, I was going to say, that'd be pretty...
It's going to be deep. Hold on. Yeah. Trailer. No, I wouldn't, no problems up there. Not sure what time it is. Have a look. 10 to 7. Sunrise is about to happen. It's happening. What an incredible property. We came in here at 7 o'clock last night. It was dark. I'm trying to speak quietly because they're all still asleep. It was dark. We had absolutely no idea where we're going. We had to go down these little creek ravines that look like they were the great abyss at that time of night. But wow. Alright, let's get this, eh? This is fantastic. I have really missed this. Looks pretty boggy coming through there, so I won't be going out that way. She's been doing that all night. It's been a pain in the butt. Well, I hope that was in focus. How good was that? Still got a little bit to go on there, but it's just been such an awesome morning. So this is a HIPCAMP or a high camp that we chose. I'll have to get you some details in a minute. I've got no idea, I can't remember crap about it. But I think these private properties are the way to go for the future. Some of the best land in Australia is private property. Yeah, it's a good idea, huh? We'll go straight in. Yep. After running around all night, she's finally buggered herself.
Or on top.
So trendy.
He's looking.
Get away! We're coming!
I'm walking on the what?
Alright, show me how to do it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that's the way. Oh, what a big jump, buddy. Go on.
No.
Keep going. You can do it. Big step. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Up, not down. Step. Step and duck. That's step and duck. Daddy stepped.
Good job!
Yay! Now, let's watch you get up. Come on.
It's because you've been trying to record me do it all day and I got you.
I was recording.
Yeah, I'm making sure that you got it, that I got it.
Oh, alright. The camper setup on the GoPro Max mod settings on the GoPro 9. Pretty cool, huh? If you want a tutorial on how I done that, you probably won't want to see it from me. Comment down below, I'll show you how we done it.
Shadow should have given it away.